slow as I can. Okay, so our skirts, remember, bear on your outside one and start the inside one and let it roll away. So you kind of make a little protruding ear. Like that. And then we're going to turn each of these right about there, positioning this here. So we're going to put a little bit out, not just knock it over. One, two. And they're not really over each other now, so we're going to tip that in a little bit so that they're over each other. It doesn't look like a link, but once it gets welded, that's going to stretch a bit and be a little more the same size. So the little tab touching there, the other little tab touching there. Yeah. Okay, so just down to the thickness, then you stop and go to the horn and you forge the little peak. Back and forth, straighten at an angle, and flip it. And in doing this, it makes the thickness a little wider here. So then we can take one more heat on the flat to kind of blend the skirts. Good to go.